Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced by researchers and developers when working with statistical distributions in NetLogo. The problem we're tackling is how to generate observations of income based on the parameters of a log-normal distribution, μ equals 1.23 and sigma equals 0.32, and assign them to attributes of totals in our simulation. Income distribution is a critical aspect of many simulations, so finding a way to accurately model it is key. In terms of a solution, we have a couple of options at our disposal. One handy resource is a library of statistical distributions for NetLogo, which includes a function for generating log-normal distributions. Additionally, NetLogo offers functions like random normal and exp that can be used in combination to create log-normal distributions. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, Wikipedia even provides step-by-step instructions on generating log-normal distributions. With these tools and resources, we can confidently generate income observations that mirror real-world scenarios within our simulation. In summary, we've explored a common problem in simulation modeling where we need to generate income observations based on log-normal distribution parameters and assign them to totals in NetLogo. By leveraging existing libraries, built-in functions, and external resources, we can tackle this challenge effectively. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment with your favorite statistical distribution pod. Happy modeling!